Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a video with an anime girl using Figgle AI. It's super easy and you will be able to turn any video into a fun anime style clip in just a few minutes. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Figgle app like this. And then if you don't have it yet, just download it from the Play Store. And then once it's installed, log in with your Google account. It's easy and quick. Next, just tap on the green plus button, this one, like this. Next, just tap on mix tools to swap a character in a video. Next, just upload the video that you want to transform. This can be a clip of you dancing, acting, or just doing something fun. And then just click on upload. And next, and then just upload your video. Like this. After that, just upload an image of the character you like to use. Just tap on add character photo, and then you can upload from your device or just generate new character directly on the app. And this tutorial I will just upload from my device. And then next, and then tap on use this photo, like this. Now let's set the background. You can just tap on this icon, and then in here you can keep the original background or just switch to another one, or even you can use a green screen like this. And in this tutorial I will just choose green screen. I will choose green screen because it's perfect for editing later. And then for the audio you can tap on this icon, and here you can keep the original sounds or just add your own music by tap on my assets, and then just upload your music in here. Or even you can also create your own dialogue. Just type your script in here. And then in this tutorial I will keep it simple and stay with the original music. Next you can choose your model that you want. In this tutorial I will just choose V3 beta, and then once everything set, just hit generate. And okay, like this, let's try to play the result. Okay, like this, the anime girl or the character now perfectly follows all the movement from the original video. And next, if you want to merge this anime character with the original scenes, you can do that easily in CapCut. But first, just download the video. And then just open your CapCut. Tap new projects, and then just import your original video. And then just import the anime girl video as an overlay. Position it as you like. For example, I will just make it like this. And then just go to remove background. And then choose chroma key, and then position it on the green area, and then adjust the intensity. Maybe like this. Next, let's try to play the video. Like this, and just like that you have got your AI anime girl video. And okay, that's it. Quick and fun. Just try it out yourself and then just experiment with the different characters and just make your videos pop. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.